In this problem, we're being asked to multiply some decimals, and there are some negative signs involved. My recommendation would be to do the multiplication part first and then worry about whether the answer is positive or negative. So let's do it in those two steps. Here we're going to multiply zero point 0.4 and zero point 0.8. So the numbers that are relevant here are just 4 and 8. And when you multiply those, you get 32. And then I need to figure out how many places behind the decimal point. I've got one place behind in zero point 0.8, another one in zero point 0.4, so that's two, a total of two numbers behind the decimal point. So I need two numbers behind the decimal point here, so the decimal point goes right there, and we've got 0.32. And then we need to figure out the sign of the answer. And the same rule applies here as it does with all other multiplication or division. If there's an odd number of negative signs being multiplied by each other, then the answer is negative. If there's an even number, the answer is positive. So this one only has one, the answer is going to be negative, so we get negative 0.32. Let's try this next one. We have negative 6.267 times a negative 10. Let's do the multiplication part first. So 6.267 times 10. Well, 10, if I multiply something by 10, what that really means is I just move the decimal point one place over to the right. So this is 62.67. And then the sign, I've got two negative signs. That's an even number. A negative times a negative is a positive, so this is a positive 62.67. So that's a little bit of work with signed decimal multiplication.